7 First-time driving tips you should know. Hey there, new drivers! Getting behind the wheel for the first time can be exciting, but also a little nerve-wracking. Don't worry, we've all been there. This video will give you 7 essential tips to help you feel confident and safe on the road. Before you even turn the key, familiarize yourself with your car. Knowing where everything is located is crucial for a smooth and safe drive. Adjust your seat, mirrors, rear view and side mirrors, and steering wheel. Make sure you can comfortably reach the pedals and see clearly in all directions. Locate the headlights, windshield wipers, hazard lights, and turn signals. Practice using them before you start driving. Don't jump straight onto a busy highway. Start in a quiet, open space like an empty parking lot or a low-traffic residential street. Practice basic maneuvers like starting, stopping, turning, and parking. Get a feel for the car's acceleration, braking, and steering. This will build your confidence and muscle memory. Driving is all about being aware of your surroundings. Develop the habit of constantly scanning the road ahead, to the sides, and behind you. Check your mirrors frequently, especially before changing lanes or making turns. Be aware of other vehicles, pedestrians, cyclists, and potential hazards. Anticipate what might happen and be prepared to react. Tailgating is dangerous and increases your risk of an accident. Always maintain a safe following distance from the vehicle in front of you. Use the 3-second rule. Choose a stationary object, like a sign or a tree. When the vehicle in front of you passes it, count 1001, 1002, 1003. If you pass the object before you finish counting, you're too close. Increase your following distance in bad weather or at higher speeds. Position your vehicle in the center of your lane. This gives you the most space to react to unexpected situations. Avoid drifting or weaving between lanes. Use your turn signals well in advance to indicate your intentions. Be predictable and make your movements clear to other drivers. Distracted driving is a major cause of accidents. Put away your phone, avoid eating or drinking, and minimize conversations with passengers. Focus solely on driving. If you need to use your phone, pull over to a safe location first. Remember, a few seconds of distraction can have devastating consequences. Driving is a skill that improves with practice. The more you drive, the more comfortable and confident you'll become. Take advantage of opportunities to drive in different conditions and environments. Consider taking a defensive driving course to further enhance your skills. Always be open to learning and improving your driving techniques. So there you have it, 7 essential tips for first-time drivers. Remember to stay calm, focused, and practice regularly. Now, go out there and enjoy the freedom of the open road. Ready to take the next step in your driving journey? Click the like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more driving tips and tutorials, and share this video with any new drivers you know. Also, tell us in the comments what you are most nervous about when driving for the first time. We'd love to hear from you.